Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about display triangle pattern like this format. So first time 1, next 0 1, next 0 1 0, next 1 0 1 0, 1 0 1 0 1. So let's do it. Next I'm going to discuss about the tran method of this program. So if you debug the code, control comes to main method. Hereafter that coincides. So here I have taken three integer variable. First is I, next j, next k. So at here k is raised to 1. So hereafter control comes to for loop. So at here I value start from 1. Check the condition 1 less than equal to 5. Condition is 2 that coincide. Here j value start from 1. Check the condition 1 equal to 1. Condition is 2 that coincide. Console clause dot write method. So at here k value is 1. 1 more 2 the value come 1. So that print 1. Hereafter k increase. So k is now 2. And hereafter that go up increase the value of j. So j is now 2. Check the condition 2 less than equal to 1. Condition is not true, not coincide. Hereafter console class dot write null method. Then cursor bring to the new line. And hereafter that go up increase the value of I. So I is now 2. Check the condition 2 less than equal to 5. Condition is 2 that coincide. So at here j equal to 1 or j start from 1. Hereafter check the condition 1 less than equal to 2. Condition is 2 that coincide. So at here console class dot write method. So at here 1 more 2. Oh, sorry, k value is now 2. 2 more 2, the value come 0. So 0 print. And hereafter k increase, so k is 3 now. Hereafter that go up increase the value of j. So j is now 2. Check the condition 2 less than I value 2. 2 equal to 2 condition is 2 that coincides. So at a console class dot write method. So k mod 2. So k value is now 3. 3 mod 2 the value come 1. And hereafter k increase. So k is now 4. Hereafter that go up check increase the value of j. So j is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 2. Condition is not true, not coincide. Hereafter console class dot write line method. So cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that go up increase the value of I. So I is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 5. Condition is 2 that coincides. So at here j equal to 1. Here check the condition 1. J value is 1. I value 3. So 1 less than equal to 3. Condition is 2 that coincide. Here console class dot write method. So k mod 2. So 4 mod 2 the value come 0. Hereafter k increase, so k is now 5. And hereafter that increase the value of j. So j is now 4. Sorry, j is now 2. Check the condition 2 less than equal to 3. Condition is 2 that coincides. So at a console class dot write method. So at a 5 mod 2 the value come 1. So 1 print. Hereafter k increase. So k is now 6. Hereafter that increase the value of j. So j is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 3. Condition is 2 that coincides. So at here console class dot write k mod 2. So k value is now 6 mod 2. The value comes 0. Hereafter k increase. So k is now 7. Check the condition that go up and increase the value of j. So j is now 4. Here check the condition 4 less than equal to I value or 3. Condition is not true. So that not coincide. Hereafter console class dot write line method. Then cursor blink to the new line. Hereafter that increase the value of I. So I is now 4. Or check the condition 4 less than equal to 5. Condition is 2 that coincides. J value start from 1. Here check the condition 1 less than equal to 4. Condition is 2 that coincide. Console class dot write method. So k mod 2. 7 mod 2 the value come 1. Hereafter k increase. So k is now 8. Hereafter j increase. So j is now 2. Check the condition 2 less than 4. Condition is 2 that coincides. So at here k mod 2. So k value is now 8. 8 mod 2 the value comes 0. Hereafter k increase, so k is now 9. And go up, increase the value of j, so j is now 3. The condition 3 less than equal to 4, condition is to that coincide console class dot write. So k mod 2, so 9 mod 2, the value come 1. So 1 print, hereafter k increase, so k is now 10. And hereafter that increase the value of j, so j is now 4. Check the condition 4 equal to 4, condition is to that coincide console class dot write k mod 2. So k value is 10, 10 mod 2, the value comes 0. And hereafter k increase, so k is now 11. Hereafter that curve increase the value of j, so j is now 5. Check the condition 5 less than equal to I value 4. Condition is not true, not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point. Console cross dot right line method, then cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that increase the value of I. So I is now 4 to 5. Check the condition 5 equal to 5. Condition is true, that coincide. So at here j value start from 1 again. Here, check the condition 1 less than equal to I value 5, condition is true, that coincides. At a console cross dot right k mod 2. So 11 mod 2, the value comes 1. Hereafter k increase, so k is now 12. And that increase the value of j, so j is now 2. And here check the condition 2 less than equal to 5, condition is 2, that coincides. Here k mod 2, so 12 mod 2, the value comes 0. Hereafter k increase, so k is now 13. Hereafter that go up, increase the value of j, so j is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 5, condition is 2, that coincides. So at a k mod 2, so 13 mod 2, the value comes 1. Hereafter k increase, so k is now 14. And hereafter j increase, so j is now 4. Check the condition 4 less than equal to 5, condition is 2, that coincides. So at a k mod 2, so 14 mod 2, the value comes 0. And hereafter k increase, so k is now 15. And hereafter that increase the value of j, so j is now 5. Check the condition 5 equal to 5, condition is 2, that coincides. So at here console cross dot write method, so k mod 2, so 15 mod 2, the value comes 1. And hereafter k increase, so k is now 16. And hereafter that increase the value of j, so j is now 6. Check the condition 6 less than equal to 5, condition is not true. So hereafter that check the condition. Hereafter check the condition 6 less than equal to 5, condition is not true, not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point. Console cross dot write time method, then cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that go up and increase the value of I. So I is now 6. Check the condition 6 less than equal to 5, condition is not true, so that not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point. Console cross dot return method. So this take one input from keyboard and terminate the output screen. And next that out from main function. Sorry, main method. So this is the output we get, and this is the tried method of this program. So I hope guys you understand. So thanks for watching. See you in next video.